Now come to karyotype. So karyotype. So what is the karyotype? The karyotype is simply the complete set of the chromosome in an organism, which is called as the karyotype. For example, in the human being, 46 chromosomes are present. So these are the 46 chromosomes are present. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is the 46 chromosomes. That means the 23 pairs chromosomes are present. So this is the 1, 2, 3 like that. That is the 23 chromosomes are here present, and now because the 23 pairs are present, so like that again another pair of the 23 chromosomes are present, and this is called as the karyotype. That means the complete set of the chromosome of any organism is called as the karyotype, and this is, you can say that this is the karyotype of the human being, because in the human being the 23 pairs of the chromosomes are present. So how the karyotype is formed? So first, in the cell, in the metaphase chromosome. What is the metaphase chromosome? One is called as the cell division, or the during the cell division. One is called as the prophase, another is called as the metaphase, then anaphase, then the telophase. So during the metaphase, the karyotype is formed. The karyotype we can form the karyotype, or the complete set of the chromosome can be photographed. Why it is taken, or why the photograph of the metaphase is formed, or the metaphase is taken? Because in the metaphase actually all the chromosomes are present at the middle of the cell, and after that the spindle fibers are joined together. So this is the metaphase plate, or the metaphase stage, and during the metaphase we stain the chromosomes, and the specific stain is used, and that is called as the GIMSA, GIEMSA. A GIMSA stain is used to stain or the dye the chromosomes during the metaphase, which is called as the GIMSA. So after the staining by the GIMSA, we can take the photo. And the photo, or this procedure of the taking the photo during the metaphase by the GIMSA stain, and we can say that it is called as the pictomicrograph. Simply the photograph of the chromosome during the metaphase is called as the pictomicrograph. So after the pictomicrograph, or the taking the photo, we arrange the chromosomes according to the length, of the chromosomes. Look at this structure. This is the one chromosome, this is the very long, or the largest chromosome, and this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4th, 5th, 6th. That means from the higher length to the lower length we can arrange, and this arrangement of the chromosomes according to the length, or from longer to the shorter, to the shorter to the longer, and the process, and it is called as the ideogram, or we can say that this is called as the karyogram. So what is the karyotype? What is the ideogram or the karyogram? You can already got. That means the ideogram is simply the arrangement of the chromosome according to the length of the chromosome. Again, from the ascending and the descending, that doesn't matter, but this arrangement according to the length of the chromosome is called as the ideogram, and the karyogram after the pictomicrogram is called as the ideogram or the karyogram. So what is the karyotype? Simply all the set of the chromosomes in any organism is called as the karyotype. Okay, so what is the significance of the karyotype? So after the because of the karyotype we can eliminate, or we can see the evolutionary relationship. So evolutionary relationship, for example, the chimpanzee. The chimpanzee has the nearly 98% similarity of the chromosome to that chromosome that is present inside human being. That means the chromosome, the human being and the chimpanzee have the similarity of the 98%. That means it can be concluded that the human being can be descended from the chimpanzee. So according to that, the karyotype, it helps in determining the evolutionary relationship between different organisms. So we have, for the human being, have the 46 chromosomes, or the 23 pairs of the chromosomes are present. 23 pairs chromosomes. So out of 23 pairs of the chromosome, 22 pairs are called as the autosome, and rest one pair is called as the allosome, or you can say that it is the sex chromosome. Okay, so this is the 22 chromosome: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22. So these 22 are called as the autosome, and this one is called as the allosome, or the sex chromosome. That means this chromosome determines the sex, or the human being. It determines whether the human being is going to the male or the female. It determines by the sex chromosome. Look at this structure. This is the female sex chromosome and this is the male sex chromosome. So that means if the human being is the male, so that means this will be absent. So if the female human being is present, that means this will be absent. That means only this one is present in the female. If it is the male, then this sex chromosome is present and this female one is left or the absent. So this is the main karyotype structure.